A confrontation between the Border Security Force BSF personnel and locals was reported in Kuliang village. A video captured by a neighbor and shared with the police depicts BSF members in a heated argument with a family inside their home. On Thursday, the BSF issued a statement detailing an incident on the 19th of June 2024 at around 9 p.m. and according to the BSF, over 20 Bangladeshi smugglers assisted by local Indian villagers infiltrated through the unfenced area of the border outpost in Kuliang village under the jurisdiction of the 172 Battalion BSF. The smugglers' objective was to collect sugar consignments from Indian counterparts in the village, claimed the BSF. An FIR filed by a local family at Kuliang police station alleges that 3 individuals claiming to be the BSF personnel along with 15 others attacked them twice on the 19th of June at 11:30 p.m. and again on the 20th of June at around 12:30 a.m. In response, the Khasi Students' Union of East Jaintia Hills had met with Meghalaya's Director General of Police, Ida Shisha Nongrang, to discuss the region's issues affecting daily life. The KSU submitted a memorandum today demanding the removal of an allegedly illegal BSF camp set up at Sonapardi Bridge, Dona Umblo and Ratachera. The student body expressed concerns over the legality of the BSF's presence on private land along National Highway 6. The memorandum also included demands for the well-being and safety of local citizens, the preservation of the district's integrity, and the establishment of an additional anti-infiltration checkpoint along National Highway 6 at Tongseng to curb illegal immigration and the drug trade.
Listen. Don't say it. Sir. Listen, wait.
मेरे सामने क्या है बंदा?
Madam, I am Ramli, DGP pertama juga jelas ni. Mulai dari berkendu, agak jadi berka isu sama di biasa kita nanti apa senang Sonapardi bat nanti senang donau dulu akaput jangka senang asal kebab apa East Jaintia District. Gaji kedua begini kalau gaji dewan kerja सरकार tahapan perkembangan itu bisa kita ramai apa senang seperti ketukaran kabar lijeri lahalin puri Inggris bananta ketuka wega kita bisa kepada tua National Highway 6 apa hasilnya donor skor agar senang guna ambil hakap pot batas senang tasra Pi kajingre balik itu ki biasa nado kini kisnan ki balai la standusnya minta mana kalian jom kacinong Sonapardi lamar ke KSU nil dapat langsung tahu walaupun pun sian Shaw SB juga District East Jaintia Hills Shaw Deputy Commissioner juga District Jongi nil orang balik itu wajah tu Pak Presiden Tisong Menteri dari Pekya Ketnak Kampung ini jumpa itulah. Dia boleh dengan jomni kumka sel. Iwan bani itu saya DGP jomni. Tolong imat kini ki dokumen sana ki dijithok sebentar ki punya submit. Saya ki telah berper saya SP office saya DC berkuntal tetap membangun itu. Imat kini kimurang ke kay ba perlu ini bangin sini kan senjam bandawa banbe itu bisa bersama untuk